Your kids love snacks.
Yeah.
But are you sure they're snacking right? With the help of my friend Twinkle, we're gonna find out which snacks are good, not so good, and the worst for your kids' teeth. Nature's Munchies are of course under the good category. Try some fresh fruit cuts or carrot and cucumber sticks partnered with yummy yogurt dip. Nuts, cheese, and popcorn are very good choices too. Delicious, full of vitamins, and your kids' teeth will surely thank you for it.
Thank you.
Now for the not so good options, the list includes ice cream, cookies, donuts, cakes, and surprise, surprise, chocolates. These sugary delights should be served to your kids after one of the main meals. And make sure to brush right after and limit the frequency of these delights to once a week. Now for the worst snacks. Hard candies. Lollipops and gummies. Avoid them. These are not just loaded with sugar, but they stick to the teeth and put those little pearly whites at risk of tooth decay. Keep your kids away from these goodies, or should I say baddies. Little changes to your kids' diet can do so much for their oral health. Take care of those tiny gnashers and let their smiles shine.